which three things or which three suggestions you give to the students?
The first is not to give up, not to be discouraged by any obstacle, but any failure. Not to think of the past, but to move on to the future. Even if you have the greatest challenge, the greatest obstacles, is what I'm trying to do. I have faced many challenges in my life, but I'm always stand up and become stronger. The first one. The second one, to be passionate. Passion is the most important ingredient in everything you are doing. If you don't love what you're doing, you're not passionate, you will never succeed. And of course, another one is hard work. Everything I have achieved in my life was through hard work and dedication of many, a product of so many sacrifices. So if you want to succeed, sacrifices are also the part of a game, if you want to say.
Which three suggestions you give to the teachers?
Yes, I could say again. I could repeat. Okay, the first.
No. I asked about which three recommendations to give the teachers for teachers.
Teachers. Okay. Teachers, the first one, to forget that they're humans. And this means that they should be
Sorry,
close.
please repeat.
The first one, they
Please repeat.
should not forget that they are humans. They're humans. They're not